Welcome back to my channel. I am so pumped, you guys, because guess what time of the month it is? Not what you guys are thinking. BoxyCharm month. I am so excited to open up my BoxyCharm for you guys. So excited. But before we get into the unboxing and try on, if you guys are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know how I'm doing and I would greatly appreciate it, you guys. Make sure you hit that notification bell right down in the bottom. It will let you guys know when my next video will be up. And I also want to say thank you guys for all the people that have reached out that have mental illness, and you guys are so amazing, and a lot of you are going through so much, and a lot not exactly the same as me, but it's like the same symptoms, so it's very similar, and mental illness is just not fun to begin with. So I want to give a shout out to all who reached out to me. I love you guys so much, and I'm still here for you, and we will still have those conversations, and we'll just be there for each other. When we're having a good day or a bad day, or we need to talk about different ways that we can fight this all together, we got each other's back, you guys. All right, so I'm going to unopen this box. And first I see a card. And right away it says something about the new BoxyCharm. So BoxyCharm is making a new box. So it'll be BoxyCharm and then Boxy Premium. And they're totally two different boxes. So BoxyCharm is going up from $21 a month to $25 a month because the CEO of BoxyCharm, he is making his boxes even better. He's making the boxes even bigger, and he's making the prices, the value of the box even better. So it's so exciting. And then in its own subscription, so it won't even have the same products as the regular BoxyCharm. So it says, introducing the bigger BoxyCharm Boxy Premium beauty box worth over $175 value for only $35 a month. So you will have your BoxyCharm, your Boxy Premium, and then your every 3 months, the Boxy Luxe. But the thing is right now, until I hope he can make it so that you can get Boxy Premium and still get the Boxy Luxe. In order to get your Boxy Luxe, you still need to have your BoxyCharm subscription. You don't necessarily have to choose which box. You can have them all if you want, or you can decide not to get the Boxy Luxe and then just go with the Boxy Premium, or you can get the BoxyCharm and your Boxy Luxe. It's all your guys' preference. So I'm going to open up my card. And the theme is called After Dark. And the first thing I see in my box is the iconic London Prep Set and Glow. Look at that glow, guys. This retails for $29. It's a Prep and Set Glow hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. So I'm going to spray my face. Ooh. Ooh, it smells good. Just douse my face in it. Just douse my face in it. Just do that. Okay. I don't know. A little, just really feminine-y. I can't even describe the smell, but it smells good. And definitely have a glow going on. So that's it says prep. So it's like prep your skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body with extracts of cucumber and chamomile and antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E. This 100% vegan water spray helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles. What? That's nice. And leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. Yes, that's nice. I have next in my box the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This is $16. I like Mellow, so I'm excited for this. Achieve effortless, tamed, and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight, sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator that allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. All right. Y'all know I need some eyebrows, so perfect to use over powder or pencil. So this is the applicator. Okay, I'm probably doing it wrong because it says you could use with, but my eyebrows are so, it's pigmented. It's pigmented. I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Okay guys, I would say that it's really nice, but it's very pigmented. I think it just looks crazy right now because I don't have my foundation on and stuff, so I will be right back to do that real quick and do the other eyebrow. I would say a little goes a very long way. Voila. So I made the eyebrow work. It's a little dark for me, but I can make it work. I think it's more for people with darker eyebrows. I have very blonde, as you saw before, blonde eyebrows. So I'm going to take this again and we'll make the highlight. And I'm using my Too Faced natural palette that I love so much. Okay, now that we're glowing, because I love to shine, I'm going to see what else we got. So I got the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. Look at that packaging. Snow Angels, and this retails for $32. It's all matte. I've never used Dose of Colors eyeshadow, so I'm excited to try it. There's no shade names, so I'm gonna go into this. It's very powdery, but I've heard, ooh, Hello Pigment. So Cashmere, they're on the bottom. I was like, there's gotta be shade names somewhere. And then I'm gonna go into Pretty Bold. This is 0 Degrees, which is this blue. Interesting. Comes with a cute brush that says Dose. And next I have in my box, did I mention that this is $32? I like their lippies. This feels nice and creamy. This is the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Liner. Ooh, try this baby out and see if I can get a good wing with it. This retails for $7, so this is good. I still like my liquid liner though. Let's be real. That's not bad for $7. And then what I got last is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. So cute. Now, I'm very picky about mascara, so I hope this works well. Nice little wand. Ooh, so far so good. Can't really see because of the blue eyeshadow. This mascara retails for $19. So for a minute I liked it. I think I just need to keep messing with it. It's kind of weighing down my lashes. It's a dual end mascara, so this is perfect for your bottom lashes. I like this. That did my bottom lashes gorgeously. Alright guys, I'm going to finish the other eye and I will be right back. Okay guys. I'm going to recap and tell you guys what I love in this box and what I don't love. I love this. This is very nice. It feels very good. It smells good. Feels very hydrating. I love that. The eyebrow stuff is pretty cool. The Mellow brow, I could work with that. It is very pigmented, so a little dark. And the mascara, it's great for the bottom lashes and it blends well into, I'm just very picky with mascara. I love Hank & Henry's eyeliner, and it, like, same thing with the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. It weighs down my lashes, so drugstore mascara is where it's at for me. But I love the brow and the Iconic, and the $7 eyeliner is pretty bomb and creates a nice wing. I would never in my life spend $32 on this. I am so sorry, but I could have chosen like maybe this color and then these colors instead of the blue, but still, like, at first it blended nicely, but then it just became a mess. And there's no highlight shade. It's just, I don't like the color story. I love Dose of Colors lippies, so this was a no for me. But other than that, I liked everything else in the box. But this eyeshadow can go. So I'm always going to be real with you guys and tell you what works for me and what I like and what I did to, you know, try to make the product work. These eyelashes are insane. I can't find my Lily lashes. I think they're downstairs. But like I've said in every video, I have loved multiple things from Boxy, especially my face palette and like my eyebrow stuff that I use all the time. Like, I'm obsessed, and like no wonder I love this Iconic London spray. I love the Iconic London brow cushion. I've had it since our previous Boxy Luxe, not the one that just happened, but like months and months and months ago, and it's still here. And it's amazing. And I use it like every day because it has helped my brows grow. So I look crazy. I can't even stand looking at myself. Well, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I love you guys so very, very much. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And give this video a thumbs up if you loved my enthusiasm. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. So bad. I don't think I've ever looked this. And also, don't forget, guys, once we hit 250 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway. So let me know in the comments what you guys would love in a giveaway. my next video, I will be doing the look I did in my mental illness is real video. I got multiple comments on that. Amazing comments on that. Like, everybody loved that look. So I am definitely going to do that again. I really know how to do makeup, guys. I really do. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.